What if the US dollar falls? Understanding the market. Gold and other commodities. Gold, as well as other commodities, are generally bought as a hedge against the US dollar or other fiat currencies. A fiat currency being a paper currency that is not backed by anything of value. Now, why is that? In 1971, the US dollar lost its connection to gold. That is, before 1971, every US dollar was worth a certain amount of gold, and that's where the currency got its value. However, currently, the US dollar has no intrinsic value, but rather the value comes from the amount of goods we perceive it to be able to buy. This means it's very possible for the dollar to lose value over time through inflation. Now, of course, inflation existed when the dollar was still connected with gold, but now that the US dollar is off the gold standard, and the Federal Reserve, which is the United States central bank, can print much more money at no real cost, which has the potential to lead to even greater inflation. This is where commodities come in. A commodity is just an object with real intrinsic value. They are things that you can buy and hold as a safety in case the dollar loses value. Also, certain commodities, such as precious metals, have changing demand, meaning you can attempt to buy them for really cheap and sell them for more, the same as you would a stock. Some examples of commodities are precious metals, such as gold or silver or copper, oil or natural gas, livestock, or agricultural goods. In the age of ETFs, buying a commodity couldn't be easier. Just like everything else, there are ETFs for gold, silver, and oil. This means that we no longer need to actually hold the precious metal or other commodities, but rather we just buy them like we would a stock. Here are some good ETFs to start with when buying commodities. Remember to always do your own research in addition to the knowledge I give you. So how much should you buy? Well, everyone has different opinions on that. Personally, as of right now, May 2020, I think the Fed is not acting in the best interest of the US dollar, and therefore I'm going to be holding less cash and more gold and silver than I normally would. But I recommend that you buy as much as you're comfortable doing. That's all for today. If you liked the video, then make sure you like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.